Have you ever wondered what the future holds for the freelancing world? As we stand on the brink of a new era, the realm of freelancing is continually evolving, making waves and reshaping the way we perceive work. The traditional 9-to-5 grind is slowly fading into the past, as more and more people are embracing the flexibility and independence that freelancing offers. But with this shift comes competition. And to stand out, you need to arm yourself with the right set of skills. In this fast-paced digital world, it's the survival of the fittest. And the fittest are those who adapt and learn. It's not about being a jack of all trades but mastering the skills that are in high demand. So what are these skills? What can put you ahead in this race? What can make you the most sought-after freelancer? Well, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore the top 7 skills that are in high demand for freelancers in 2024. Starting at number 7, we have digital marketing. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the importance of digital marketing has never been more prominent. It's the cornerstone of every successful business, big or small. It's all about connecting with your audience at the right place and at the right time, and today, that place is online. Digital marketing is a vast field that includes search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and so much more. By mastering this skill, you can open up countless freelancing opportunities. Businesses are always on the lookout for digital marketing experts who can help them stand out in the crowded online marketplace. When you delve into digital marketing, you're diving into a world of endless possibilities. You can work as a freelancer for a variety of businesses across different industries, helping them craft their online presence and reach their target audience. So if you have a knack for creating compelling online content, this might just be your calling. Coming in at number 6, we have video editing. With the digital era in full swing, video content is soaring in popularity. From social media platforms to corporate presentations, video has become the go-to medium for communication and entertainment. This rise in video content has, in turn, escalated the demand for video editing skills. Video editing is more than just stitching clips together, it's about creating a compelling narrative that captivates the audience. It's about using color grading, sound design, and special effects to enhance the storytelling. It's about rhythm, pacing, and knowing when to cut and when to let the scene breathe. With the right tools and a dash of creativity, video editing can transform raw footage into a cinematic masterpiece. It's a sought-after skill that can open doors to a variety of freelancing opportunities. If you have an eye for detail and enjoy storytelling, video editing could be your ticket to freelancing success. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have data analysis. In our data-driven world, having the ability to analyze and interpret complex information is a significant asset. Businesses, big or small, are increasingly relying on data analysis to drive their decision-making process. You see, data analysis is all about examining, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. The ability to sift through raw data, identify trends, and present findings in a clear, concise manner is a skill that's highly sought after. Industries across the board, from tech to healthcare to marketing, are on the lookout for skilled data analysts. As a freelancer, mastering data analysis could open up a plethora of opportunities. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about providing insights that can propel a business forward. So, if you have a knack for numbers, a keen eye for detail, and a curious mind, data analysis might just be your freelancing forte. If numbers and patterns fascinate you, data analysis might be your freelancing forte. At number 4, we have graphic design. Now, let's delve into the colorful world of graphic design, a critical element in today's digital landscape. It's all about the art of communicating visually. Whether it's designing logos, creating website layouts, or crafting brand materials, graphic design plays a significant role in branding and marketing. Businesses, big or small, are always on the hunt for creative designers who can translate their brand message into compelling visuals. In the digital age, visuals speak louder than words. They catch attention, they entice, they tell a story. Graphic design is that silent yet powerful tool that can make a brand unforgettable. Moreover, the demand for freelance graphic designers is on the rise. Why? Because businesses need to stand out, and what better way than to have a unique visual identity? If you have a creative streak and a keen eye for aesthetics, graphic design could be your freelancing niche. Moving into the top 3, we have cybersecurity. In this digital age, the concern for data protection has skyrocketed. Every second, vast quantities of sensitive information are being transferred across the internet, and with that comes the ever-increasing need for security. Cybersecurity experts are the guardians of this virtual world, protecting the data from those who seek to exploit it. This field is not just about fending off attacks but also about anticipating them. A good cybersecurity specialist is always a few steps ahead, identifying potential vulnerabilities and patching them up before they can be exploited. They're the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes to ensure our digital lives remain secure. The demand for cybersecurity experts has never been higher, and it's only expected to grow. Companies big and small are on the lookout for skilled individuals who can safeguard their data. So, if you're into solving complex problems and ensuring safety, cybersecurity could be your freelancing path. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning are two of the fastest growing fields in the technology sector. They're like the dynamic duo of the digital world, working hand in hand to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. From automating routine tasks to predicting trends, these technologies are transforming industries one algorithm at a time. The rapid advancement of technology has led to an increasing reliance on AI and machine learning. Businesses across the globe are starting to realize the immense potential these technologies hold. They're no longer just buzzwords, they're now integral components of successful business strategies. And here's where you come in. As a freelancer, you have the unique opportunity to tap into this booming market. Companies are on the lookout for experts who can help them harness the power of AI and machine learning. They need people who can build intelligent systems, train models, and interpret results. The great thing about freelancing in this field is that it offers lucrative opportunities. The demand for AI and machine learning skills is skyrocketing, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. This high demand, coupled with a shortage of skilled professionals, means that experts in this field can command high rates for their services. But don't be fooled. This isn't a field you can just waltz into. It requires a deep understanding of complex algorithms, as well as the ability to apply them to real-world problems. You also need to be familiar with programming languages like Python and tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. So, if you're someone who's tech-savvy, loves to stay ahead of technology trends, and isn't afraid of a challenge, then AI and machine learning might just be the perfect fit for you. Remember, as a freelancer, you're not just selling your services, you're selling solutions. And in a world that's becoming more and more reliant on AI and machine learning, those solutions could be worth their weight in gold. If you are tech-savvy and love to stay ahead of technology trends, AI and machine learning could be your freelancing game. And finally, at number 1, we have software development. In the world of technology, software development reigns supreme. It's the engine that powers our digital lives, making it an evergreen skill in high demand. From mobile apps to web applications, games to business software solutions, the possibilities are endless. Software development is a broad field, encompassing various specialties. You could be a front-end developer, creating visually appealing websites with seamless user experiences. Or you could be a back-end developer, ensuring that databases, servers, and systems work together flawlessly. Full-stack developers, on the other hand, are the jack of all trades, handling both front-end and back-end responsibilities. Now you might wonder, why is software development at the top of our list? Well, it's simple. The world is becoming increasingly digital, and businesses are always on the lookout for customized solutions to meet their unique needs. This creates a substantial opportunity for software developers. Mastering software development doesn't just open the doors to freelancing opportunities, it paves the way to a successful, lucrative career. The average software developer earns a six-figure salary, with top freelancers charging premium rates for their expertise. But how do you become a software developer? Well, it all begins with learning a programming language. Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and Ruby are some of the most popular choices. From there, it's about gaining experience, building a portfolio, and continually updating your skills to keep up with the fast-paced world of technology. It's important to note that software development isn't just about coding. It's about problem solving, creating efficient algorithms, and designing intuitive interfaces. It's about understanding the client's needs and translating them into a functional, user-friendly solution. In essence, software development is a blend of creativity and logic, a field where art meets science. So, if you're the kind of person who loves coding, enjoys solving puzzles, and has a knack for designing solutions, software development is your freelancing gold mine. If you love coding and creating solutions, software development is your freelancing gold mine. And there you have it, the top 7 freelancing skills for 2024. Let's do a quick recap. We started with digital marketing, a skill that connects businesses with their target audiences. Then, we explored video editing, a creative skill that breathes life into raw footage. Next, we delved into data analysis, a crucial skill for making informed business decisions. Our list continued with graphic design, the art of conveying messages visually. We then discussed cybersecurity, a skill paramount in today's digital age. Following that, we addressed artificial intelligence and machine learning, the skills driving the future of technology. And finally, we ended with software development, a skill that builds the digital infrastructure we use daily. In the ever-evolving freelancing world, it's essential to continually learn and upgrade your skills. These 7 skills are just the beginning. There's a whole universe of skills waiting to be explored. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So gear up and start honing these skills for a successful freelancing career in 2024.